Hi, it's Annie again. Now let's see what's inside of our claw machine. Our factory have more than 15 years experience for making clay machine. So all the gantry is developed by ourselves. We open the mold for the gantry, and the claw is all made by ourselves, so we can full control the quality. For this clay machine, we take the tank check cable. It will be moving more smooth and more durable. Also, you cannot see any cable from this gantry. Okay, now let's see the mechanical, how to make the plate turning. First, you can see it's very easy to make it moving, but it's not easy to keep the moving for lifespans for more than 5 years. First, you can see we use the wheel to make the middle plate keep turning. Maybe in the market, some people will use the whole wooden, but we are different. We use the metal, the metal from the outside place. Look, this black material or is the metal. It's not wooden. Why we use this? Because if we use the wooden board, the wheel touch the board and the plate keep moving. The wheel will make the wooden a deep slot. If it has a slot, and then the plate will not moving smooth. So we use the metal. After use a long time, the plate will smooth more better. It will have no these problems. So it can use for more than 5 years. It's no problems. Okay, we have the 4 wheels to keep the plate moving. Another is look the inside. Inside we use the wheel to make the mechanical is keep stable, and the high power motor to make the to support the mechanical more stable and smooth. We already have the old products with the same mechanical can used for more than 5 years. It is no problems until now. Some customer feedback. Also, you can see the middle also have the wheels. If after you finish the assemble, you can move the whole machine to anywhere you want. That's why we tell you our mechanical can used for more than 5 years.